Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to send voice messages on WhatsApp. So first of all, you click on your WhatsApp application and then you click on who you want to send this voice message to. Below, you can see there are 4 icons: the plus icon, the sticker icon, the camera icon, and the microphone icon. Here you click on the microphone icon. It's used to send voice messages. You click and hold, then you swipe up. Then you say whatever you want to say in the voice message, and when you are done, you click on send. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.